Remember the good old times at Toyota? Before Toyota Safety Sense came along? Before pre-collision? Dang it. Now, before lane departure alert with steering assist?
What?
Before automatic high beams? Before all these safety features became standard on many of their new vehicles? Yeah, standard. Which means Toyota doesn't need us crash test dummies as much. So, I set out to find other ways to fill the void.
Here's my stop!
And while it was fun to explore...
1,000, 2 1,000.
Come on, throw some weight into it. Seriously?
2 1,000.
Nothing quite lived up to the thrill of the crash.
You're up, Stan.
Be right there. Until one day, I finally found something that did. Showtime! The game might have changed, but the player is still the same. Game on.
Toyota Safety Sense, designed for safety. Toyota, let's go places.